Mexico, here I come! Que viva Mexico! Woo! Open roads in Mexico, baby. This is what I love. Well, I have to admit, guys, I have a little secret. I rarely use the G in manual mode. Well, mainly because I don't know how to drive in manual mode. And when I want to, it doesn't work. But right now, it went into manual mode. See, I can switch the gears. Well, I'm standing still. See, I didn't even know I couldn't do that. But it went into manual mode, so I decided to go outside and learn how to drive the G in manual mode. Now, for you experts, let me know where should I do the the shifting thing here, because I really don't know. So I'm gonna go by feel and see how it goes. Now let's turn around here. See if they let me. Okay, I see it's a little heavy because it's in first. But yeah, let's try this. So I'm gonna shift all in fourth and 4,000 RPMs. So I feel like a little bit hesitant there, so I'm gonna go to fourth. I was driving it a little bit earlier, so I don't look like a complete moron. But I noticed that in fourth, around 40, the car seems to be calm. But if you wanna, ooh. Like those downshift. Woo! I gotta remember that I am in manual mode, so I gotta remember to shift. It shifts pretty nicely, I must say. So if I go down, I have to downshift, go to second. Woo! Jesus! See, now there's a lot of cars in the street. Like when I went out earlier, it was like nobody. Now I turn on the camera and everybody's in the street. I guess they want a cameo. Or here you go, people. Here's your cameo. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. I just have to pay attention more to the gauges. I like how it pulls, man. Like honestly, this car stock is just fun, man. Look at this. He's just ready. He's ready to go, like Jesus. I can't imagine how much 300 horsepower feels, or 400 or 500. You know what I mean? Like those uppity numbers. Let me go to first. Let it stop on its own power. Oh boy. Yeah, so I can't imagine how 600 horsepower feels, or like 800, or even 1,000. 1,000 must be like bonkers, man. Cause this is like what? Like I forgot. Like 200 and something, around like 7,000 RPM or 6,000 RPM, something like that. It's not even that much, and it feels good. Like it pulls very nice. So I go to second. Fourth, third, Jesus. No, was that too early? I think it was. Woo! Oh, man, this thing is just... I can finally enjoy the G. I can never do this in New York City, man. Okay, let's go, baby. Third is pretty good. So second, first. I think that was good. I think I concluded that I have to change the whole assembly for the G, like the dash, because it's not really like the actual shifter that's messed up, it's the dash that has problems. and that includes the gas gauge. And there's a company that actually fixes that if you send it to them. But I'm not gonna send that. I'm just probably gonna get one from the junkyard or something. And that's probably what I'm gonna do. See if it's better. So see, right now I'm in second. It's in 3,000 RPMs. Should I be in third? So it could be around like 2 to 3 and not 3 to 4. Okay, so let's go. Oops. Oops. I was downshifting, not upshifting. See, that's too much. Okay, I could hear the engine like growling too much. Okay, now, see, I'm starting to understand it. But before, I did not know this. See, I'm in first. So see that in 4,000 RPMs, it's good to shift. Because right now, see, I'm in like 50, and the car is like in 2,300 RPMs. It feels good like that. And then if I want to run, I downshift to third. So here's in 3,000 RPMs. It has more power in it. There you go, look at that. Jesus. I mean, this car is just fun all around, man. Like, Jesus Christ. It's third. Fourth. So fourth is pretty good here. Woo. Nice. Oh, man. This G takes these corners like a pro. I cannot do this in my minivan. And I have you guys know that like one of the links is broken since I got the car. And I've never gotten to switching it out because I never, like drove the car. So I never needed that, that stability. But even with that broken, it feels so good, man. I guess because I'm a virgin in this. I'm pretty sure like a pro is gonna get on this and be like, huh? I need a better setup. But yeah, it feels pretty good. Fourth. See, it feels pretty good if I shift in 4,000 RPMs. I think that I'll stay with that strategy for now. See, right now I'm in like 50. It's at 2,000 revolutions. The engine is quiet. That's pretty good. I like it. Now, I do hear sometimes that it thumps, like in the back. Like I hear like a thump, like when it goes into gear. Is that normal? Or maybe my bushing is bad in the back there, because I've never changed anything performance-wise. I've never done anything to this car. See, when I downshift that, I want to hear that, you know what I mean? Like that sound, I want to hear it. Just a little bit more. I want it a little bit louder. See, right now I'm in fourth. We're down to third. Oh man, I can still hear. Oh. Whew. I don't know if you guys got hearing that, because it's a very subtle sound, but man, oh man, I just don't want to see the gas bill when I'm done. Oh yeah, Mexico, here I come! Que viva Mexico! Woo! Up in Rosy, Mexico, baby. This is what I love. And nothing like driving in Mexico. So I'm in third right now, so I can punch it a little bit. Punch it a little bit. Let's go, baby, let's go. Woo. Man, it feels so good. So the verdict, I love it. This is a awesome mode. I wish I could drive it all the time in manual mode, but Let's see if I can fix this problem, if I can get like a new dash and all that stuff. So if you like this type of content, please give me a like on this video, and if you have some advice for me as to when to shift and what to look for, just leave it in the comment section down below. Until next time, guys, God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace.